Okay, so it is Saturday night. I am going to make a scrambled egg, tomato, Canadian bacon, and spinach tortilla. More like a quesadilla. I'm going to use flour tortillas. And I have my eggs here. And I'm going to use a piece of cheese. For lunch, I didn't show it, but I had a baked potato and green beans. That's what I had for lunch today. So that'll show you here in a second it all together. Here is my dinner. It is 7 points. 2 points for the sour cream, 5 points for the shell. I have scrambled eggs. I have the fat-free cheese, about 1/8 of a cup. I didn't use the Velveeta. And I have the 1 piece of Velveeta. I did use the Velveeta. I have 1 piece of Velveeta. That's a point. So, and then I have 1 tablespoon of sour cream, along with the Canadian bacon, the tomato, the spinach. So all together, that is 5, 6, 7. The Canadian bacon would be another point. So 8 points altogether. Good Sunday morning. So for breakfast, I have eggs, 0 points. I have Canadian bacon, 1 point. I have 1/4 of a cup of oatmeal, 1 point. I have my toast, 1 point. I have a teaspoon of sugar, 1 point on my oatmeal. So that is 2, 3, 4. And then I have my milk, which is skim milk, 1 cup, for 1 point. Good morning. You know, I am so good at filming my morning and then I stop throughout the day. So you're going to get a bunch of mornings, and I promise today is Wednesday. I am off, so I will be doing the whole entire day, and I'll be doing a video, hopefully get that out on Thursday. I want to show you what I found. You guys know that I am obsessed with my junk food, right? So I have in my cup, which, by the way, how do you guys like that little cup? If you scan that right now, it'll take you right back to the channel. Anyway, so I have my milk, which is skim. And then I found Nestle Quick, no sugar added. This is 40 calories for 2 tablespoons, which equals out to be 1 point for 2 tablespoons. So I'm taking that 1 point and I am putting that in my milk so I can have some chocolate milk. Like, that is like the best thing since sliced bread. Last night I had Swiss Miss chocolate, no sugar added cocoa. It was so yummy. It put me sound asleep. I went to bed at like 8 o'clock last night. So, that is 80 calories, guys. And that is actually, I think 1 envelope with water is 3 points. But you know what? Some nights I might take that because a nice cup of hot cocoa is going to be nice. Anyway, I'll have to look at that again and see exactly how many points, and I'll put it on here to let you know. But 1 point for the quick. And again, and I was right, 3 points for the hot cocoa for 1 packet. But still, 3 points, that's nothing, right? Sometimes you have those points left over. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Buddy wanted to say hi. He wishes everyone well. Hey everyone, I did not get a video done yesterday at all. I'm at work. It's slow this morning. I want to take just a few seconds and get on here so I can wrap up. I have a bunch of morning videos. I somehow do not do well in the afternoon. I don't know why. So this is what we're going to do. I am going to go ahead. I'm going to show you. There is a find that I have found, and I am so excited and so happy. I found sugar-free Nestle Quick. Now, I'm happy because I get my chocolate milk, right? So my milk is 2 points. Fairlife, skim milk, 2 points. And that is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. I only use 1 tablespoon, but it's still 1 point. But anyway, so 3 points for chocolate milk. That's great. But what I want to talk about is that if you look on the back of the ingredients on that quick, basically you are looking at the first ingredient is whey. Now, whey is going to be a muscle toner. So if you use whey and soy kind of takes the fat away, but whey gives you remaining of the lean muscle mass. Or it might have that backwards, but the two of them together is tremendous. When I worked for LA Weight Loss, that's what their bars were made out of, was whey protein and soy protein. So they counteracted each other. One took away the fat, one kept the muscle mass. So when you take away fat, you gotta keep that muscle mass going, especially in our age group, my age group. So I just wanted to hop on real quick and just say a few words about that, but I am so excited that I have all of this stuff coming through, you know. One of my subscribers told me about Ballpark Frank light hot dogs. You can have 2 for 5 points. So there you have it, 2 for 5. So I'm starting to incorporate my junk, which I call junk, with this dieting. So you know what? I was down 6 pounds last week. I'm not looking to lose any weight because I seriously think that half of that was what I was retaining fluid. So I really feel like I just lost a bunch of fluid. So I am not looking to lose any weight this Sunday, but that's okay because I had such a large drop last Sunday, and that's usually how that works. So we'll see what happens on my weigh-in day for sure. But I just wanted to hop on real quick. I wanted to end the video. It's not very long, but at least I am trying, right? So I will try to record my lunch and we'll see how that goes, and I'll add that on here. If I record my lunch, I won't post this until tonight when I get my dinner in also. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. And so far, I brought water, a big jug of water, so I'm going to try to drink that because if I am retaining any fluid, that will help me get that off, right? I'm wearing the crown today, y'all. Got my crown on. So, I'm queen of the day. Let me tell you, I am queen of the day. All right, talk to you soon.